Hey folks, quick video today. I'm putting this product into my ATV. It's called tireject or eject, or too sure how you pronounce it. But I've got 4 of these pouches, one for each tire. Each pouch holds 10 ounces. In this kit also, I got a syringe so I can pump it into the tires. And I also got a couple of stickers, and I got a couple of valve cap ends. And anyway, the process, I guess, is that based on the size of your tires, and that's going to determine how much of this product you put in. So my tires, the size, you put in 10 ounces, so the whole thing. So this will help you with bead locks, slow leaks, up to 3/8 puncture on the tread and sidewall, and tire dry rot. Now I've got neither one of those symptoms on mine. Mine hold up air no problem, but I ride alone quite a bit, and I go out in the mountains, and some places I go there's it's quite rocky. And anyway, I do have a repair kit for my tires, but they're just plugs, and I mean that'll work in a pinch, but you know, you gotta stop and get the plugs out and plug it and pump back about 5 pounds of air. That's what I run on my tires. But this stuff apparently, once you get a puncture, this will seep out and will seal it right away. So let's see if it works. I hope it does. It wasn't cheap. It's not a cheap product by all means, but it's supposed to be very effective. So anyway, I will set you guys down here and line you up with so you can see a clear view of my tires. I'm going to be putting this on all of my tires, all 4. I'm just going to videotape me doing it in one tire. No sense in you watching me repeat the same process for the other 3 tires. But anyway, let me put you down so I can set you guys up so you have a good view of what I'm doing. Okay guys, got you set up. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to remove the air out of the tires and remove the valve here. I got a little valve removal tool, but just get the air out first. Some forget and they take the valve out, and with the air pressure in there, that valve is going to shoot right across your garage, and good luck trying to find that. So get all the air out. I run about I think I was running 8 in my tires. My manual says 5, but a lot of the places I ride, it's gravel roads, and so I run about 8. And also I carry a little pump with me, so if I need to air down in areas where I need more traction, then I will, and then I'll pump it back up to about 8. The reason why I like to run 8 is that I find it just rolls with a lot less resistance on the gravel road. So in my mind, the engine is not straining as hard. Easier on the belt. I don't know. Just give me your opinion if you have any on it. I don't know what you guys are running on your tires, but that's what I'm running. Okay, got the air pretty well all out. Just gonna get this valve out. Now in the kit, looks like they don't include the this little tool here to remove the valve. So, but you should be okay. I mean, most people carry these. It's just this right here. Got one here. I've had it for quite a long time, quite a few years. So it's got multiple different ends on it, whatnot. This is the end you use here to remove the valve. It's got like little notches in it. I'm not too sure if you can see it. But anyway, next step now is to take this and kind of shake it around, Make sure you're mixing all the liquid in there and the little fibers, I guess. Inside. There you go. There we go. Should be good. So I guess I should orient my valve down below here so I can hook up my syringe to it and then fill it up. Let's get to that. There we go. Okay, next step. Oh, yeah, there we go. Just, I guess, thread that on this end. There you go. Nice and tight. And I guess remove this plunger. Oh, look at that. They do include the tool to remove the valve. It was just inside the plunger. So if you don't have one, you should get one. You'll have one anyway. So it came with the kit, and it was inside the syringe. So there you go. Well, so far I'm impressed with this kit. It has everything you need. There you go. Should be okay now. Being shook around. Let's open it up. It's a blue color. Whoa! And it pours really fast. It's very liquidy. So I spilt a bit on myself here on the garage floor. And it goes in the tire, no problem. Didn't realize how thin that stuff is. So it pours really quick into the syringe, so be careful. A little bit there remaining, so I guess this is where this plunger thing comes in. So fit your plunger in and then just squeeze in the rest. There you go. I'm just gonna take the valve off, where's the attachment. Kind of get it all over my hands. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. It's blue, so if you ever get a puncture in your tire and you see a blue liquid, then obviously that's what it is.
Where's Mom?
Okay, so if you take a look on my hand, this is what it looks like. It's got little fibers in it or something like that. It's kind of, I don't know what it is. Anyway, it's blue. Hasn't burnt my hand or stained my hand yet, so I guess that's good. Apparently it's environmentally friendly. So I think it's got a lot to do with the fibers more than the liquid. I think the liquid is just there to carry the fibers in. And the liquid, my understanding, it's mostly, I think it's water-based anyway. And that's why they say that you can't run this stuff in a car. You can use it if you've got a flat. You can pump it in the amount recommended for the size of your tires, and it will seal the hole. Then you inflate it and it should get you unstuck. But you cannot put it in there as a preventative maintenance. There you go. Because apparently with the heat of a car tire, it will cook the liquid and basically evaporate it. So, but apparently on ATVs or dirt bikes, lawn tractors, etc., I guess it doesn't generate as much heat, and it'll work as a preventative measure. So anyway, that's it. Simple as that. Next step for me will be to put in the amount of air I want to put in. Oh, I forgot one more step. Sorry about that, guys. You've got to rotate this tire for 5 minutes. So apparently it coats the inside of the tire. So rotate 5 minutes, and it coats inside the tire, and then put the amount of air that you need. So that's it. Simple as that. I think it's a great product. I think it's better than that stuff slime or whatnot. I hear that will rust your rims or anyway. I haven't heard good things about it. And not only that too, apparently it's quite a mess to, if you ever, when you put new tires on, apparently it's a big mess to clean up. So apparently this stuff here is not, it cleans with water. Yeah, apparently it's environmentally friendly. So anyway, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please hit the like button. And if you can, if it's your first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. I try to post as much as I can about myself working on stuff, or just going out there and enjoying nature. Okay? Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.